The Arrowhead plant is a popular houseplant, known for its arrow-shaped leaves and easy care nature. It's a versatile plant that can be grown as a trailing vine or a bushy shrub. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to grow and care for an arrowhead plant, along with its benefits. How to grow and care for arrowhead plant. 1. Choosing the right pot and soil. Pot. Use a pot with drainage holes to prevent waterlogging. Arrowhead plants can be grown in hanging baskets, pots, or as a climbing plant with support soil. Plant in well-draining heat-based potting mix. A blend of potting soil, perlite, and peat moss works well. To planting propagation. Arrowhead plants can be propagated from stem cuttings. Cut a stem with at least one node and place it in water or soil. Planting: place the cutting or young plant in the pot, ensuring the roots are covered with soil. Water lightly after planting. 3. Light requirements. Ideal light: bright indirect light is best. Avoid direct sunlight, which can scorch the leaves. Low light tolerance: can tolerate low light, but may lose its vibrant leaf colors. For watering frequency. Water when the top inch of soil feels dry. Keep the soil slightly moist but not soggy. Overwatering. Avoid overwatering as it can lead to root rot. Reduce watering in winter. 5. Humidity. Preferred humidity. Arrowhead plants thrive in high humidity. Mist the leaves regularly or use a humidifier. Alternative: place the pot on a tray filled with water and pebbles to increase humidity. 6. Temperature ideal range. Keep the plant in a warm environment 60 degrees, 85 degrees or 15 degrees to 9 degrees. Avoid cold drafts and sudden temperature changes. 7. Fertilizing frequency. Feed with a balanced liquid fertilizer every 4 to 6 weeks during the growing season, spring and summer. Dilute the fertilizer to have strength. To avoid over-fertilizing. 8. Pruning purpose. Prune to maintain shape and encourage bushy or growth. Method: trim leggy stems and remove yellow or damaged leaves. 9. Repotting. When repot every 1 to 2 years, or when the plant becomes root-bound. How choose a pot one size larger and refresh the soil. 10. Pest control. Common pests: watch for spider mites, aphids and mealybugs. Treatment: use neem oil or insecticidal soap to treat infestations. Benefits of arrowhead plant. Air purification: removes toxins like formaldehyde, benzene and xylene from the air, improving indoor air quality. Aesthetic appeal: adds a tropical touch to your home with its vibrant, arrow-shaped leaves. Available in various colors including green, pink and white. Low maintenance, easy to care for, making it ideal for beginners or busy plant owners. Versatility: can be grown as a trailing plant, climbing vine, or bushy shrub, depending on your preference. Humidity regulation: releases moisture into the air, helping to increase indoor humidity levels. Mood booster: the presence of plants like the arrowhead plant can reduce stress and improve overall well-being. Pet friendly with caution. While not highly toxic, It can cause mild irritation if ingested by pets. Keep it out of reach of curious cats and dogs. Tips for success. Rotate the plant. Rotate the pot occasionally to ensure even growth. Clean the leaves. Wipe the leaves with a damp cloth to keep them dust-free and shiny. Avoid overcrowding. Give the plant enough space to grow. And ensure proper airflow. By following these steps, you can grow a healthy and beautiful arrowhead plant that not only enhances your home decor, but also improves your indoor environment. Happy planting! Herb sparkles.